students, so in this tutorial we will look at the functions related to date and time. So first function is first we will see today and then we will move on to day. So today is simple. If you want the date to be updated in your Excel sheet, so write simply equal to today, press tab and just complete the brackets and say enter. It will show you the today's date. It is simple. Next, now function will get you the date along with the time. So equal to now, again bracket complete, and it has given you the today's date and again time. Whenever you open your Excel sheet tomorrow also, the date will get updated. So again equal to now day will give you the count of a day in a particular month. So day, for that you need to select the value of today. So today's date you need to select, so enter. So that day, today is the 28th day of this month, so that is what a day function will show you. So that is what a day, today and now was. So this was a small tutorial and a simple one but a useful one. So keep on watching, keep on learning. Thank you very much.